Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Honor 9X. Okay, so since unboxing this device, quite a few people have been asking me, Android Doctor, does the Honor 9X support this language? Does it support that language? Well, I couldn't respond to everybody, so I thought I'd just make a video and show you what languages come with the device. Okay, so I'm going to go into the languages and I'm going to scroll through. I'm going to try and pronounce some of these. Language and region. Okay, so these are all the different languages, and by default I have the English language there at the top. Hold on, let me try to turn on the brightness a bit. Okay, that's better. Okay, so yeah, these are all the different languages. So this one at the top, I can't pronounce it, but there's Bosnian, Catalan, Czech, Danish, German, Estonian, Spanish, Spanish Latin America, Basque, don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Filipino, French, Galician, Croatian, Indonesian, Italian, Javanese, Latvian, Lithuanian, Hungarian, Malay, Dutch, Norwegian, Bokmal, Uzbek, Polish, Portuguese, Brazil, Portuguese, Romanian, Slovak, Slovenian, Serbian, Finnish, Swedish, Vietnamese, Turkish, Greek, Belarusian, Bulgarian, Kazakh, Macedonian, Russian, Ukrainian, Georgian, Hebrew, Urdu. Yeah, a lot of people ask if Urdu is supported. Persian, Arabic, Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, Sinhala, Thai, Lao, Burmese, not sure what that one is, Khmer, Korean, Traditional Chinese, Japanese, Simplified Chinese. Let's try update the language list, see if we get any more languages. Okay, so there's an extra language here, Swahili. And these other languages here are available for download. So I'll just go through these. Okay, so I'll take my time and scroll back up the list so you can all have a good look. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you see your language on there. I hope this answered your questions. Thanks for watching the video. You already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Have a nice day. Deuces.